Good day everyone, and today we will be presenting about international relation. North versus South in international. The North versus South divide into international relation. This divide refers to gap between developed and developing nation and will be examined in different theories. Realism, liberalism, and constructivism, Marxism, and postmodernism. North. The North generally refers to developed countries, nations with strong economies and political influence. South. The South, on the other hand, refers to developing countries that continue to struggle with poverty, weak institutions, and inequality. This divide highlights not only the difference in wealth but also in opportunities and global power. Realism. Realism agree that the North-South divide is the result of unequal power. The developed North dominates the South through military strength, economy, resources, and political influence. From this perspective, inequality is not surprising. It's expected in a world where states compete for several and power. Liberalism and constructivism. Liberalism and constructivism. Liberals believe that international institutions like the United Nations, the World Trade Organization, and other global organizations can help reduce North-South gap. Constructivists and another layer, they emphasize the importance of idea, values, and shared identities. If nations see each other as partners instead of rival, cooperation becomes possible. From this view, dialogue, the trust are key to bridging and divide. Marxism. Marxism. This theory sees the North-South divide as a product of economy exploitation. Wealthy countries in the North benefit from the cheap labor and raw materials of the South, while profit flow back to the North. This creates deficiency and underdevelopment in the South. From Marxism, inequality is not accidental, it is built into the capitalist world system. Postmodernism. Postmodernists question whether the North-South divide is even fixed reality. They argue that the categories of North and South are socially constructed in the other world. The way media, government, and institutions talk about development and underdevelopment shape how we see the world.